Hi everyone, welcome to my channel A Slice of Life with Simi. In this video, I wanted to share with you how Central Park looks in the winter months. This was as a part of my visit to the New York City where I had gone to visit my sister Jabeen Shah. Central Park is the heart of New York City. It occupies an area of around 840 acres. It is huge, guys, and you can spend a greater part of the day in the park. We walked quite a few kilometers inside the park, yet the weather was such that it did not make us tired. Central Park has a lot of stuffs to see and a lot of things to do. There are many parks in New York, but this one is just so special. This place is away from the hustle bustle and any kind of noise, and people can just come here and enjoy nature in all its beauty. The Gapstone Bridge is a scenic stone bridge in Central Park. Isn't it beautiful? You will see many ducks in the pond, which adds to the beauty of this place. This is the Woolman Rink where people come to enjoy roller skating. There is one more skating place in Central Park known as the Lesker Rink. When we reached this place, there was a funny street performance going on. We had a good entertainment watching it. The Bethesda Terrace is the most globally recognized iconic public meeting space, and people plan their weddings here too. Since this was shot in the month of January, we do not see the water in the fountain here. And the snow here had its own charm and made this place extremely beautiful. On top of the fountain, you can see the beautiful angel. A visit to the Central Park would most likely bring you to some dance performance or some good live music. All these are free, but tips are surely appreciated. This performance is at the Arcade overlooking the Bethesda. Look at the grand design of the pillars and the ceilings here. The Bow Bridge is one of the most romantic and most photographed places in the Central Park. It is a cast iron bridge that is almost 90 feet long. A lot of people make their proposals here too. Some movies were shot here, like Spider-Man 3's Night at the Museum, When in Rome, are a few to mention. People also take boat rentals here during the summer. If you have some time, do plan to visit this part of Central Park. The place that you see now is the famous circular Imagine mosaic in the Central Park near the strawberry fields. So this is very close to where John Lennon was killed. People gather to sing song and pay tribute on Lennon's birthday and on his death anniversary. We had a wonderful time in Central Park. Do plan to visit this park if you happen to be in the New York City. It has its own beauty throughout the year. You can find bunch of statues of famous writers like Shakespeare, Walter Scott in Central Park. There is not a single leaf in the trees during the winter, but that has its own beauty, isn't it? Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. See you soon in my next video. Until then, take care and stay safe.